Hi there, my name is Nate, and I am parent to a 4.5-year-old. And 4.5 years in, I was questioning whether what was happening with my kid was normal, temper tantrums and dysregulation, and my response, frustration. And then I attended the positive guidance promoting emotional regulation and agency in daily family life, about 2 hours, and felt like it was just a breath of fresh air in terms of understanding the science and practical tips and just acknowledgement of the reality of what it means to be a 4.5-year-old. And then I signed up for the Motivation Mastery Weekend, 3 days of just delightfully and thoughtfully and intentionally curated experience. Virtual, it felt like I was with everybody in person, and Vanessa and team just brought just a collection of wisdom that was really empowering. And even just a week following, I am feeling such a relief and a sense of connection to my kid. Some of the practical tips of connect before correct, and then the ICARE model, and all of the other incredible nuggets of wisdom of what it means to be an adult raising a child. And I've just had more fun. I've been able to tap into being really connected in a way, and I'm seeing results, a week in. So I'm so grateful to Vanessa, and grateful for all that she brings and the community that she's cultivating. So thank you, Vanessa. Thank you so much.